Alright, there we go. Hey guys, good morning. So right now we're on the way to Skillets. Oh my god, I'm blinded. Wait, where are we? I'm so confused. Good morning guys. Right now we're on the way to Skillets, which is like a breakfast place. And that's a picture. And then we're probably gonna look around and shop some more. But yeah, that's what we're doing. It's great, great lighting. Love my life. So we just went into like the So we just went into the coolest store ever. It's called Jamaica Me Crazy, and oh my gosh, I love it. If you guys saw the last clips. Also, there's this like really cute bike rack. Like, look how cute that is. Okay, all right, I'm done talking. It keeps my fire burning. Oh, you got to set it out, keep me satisfied. I'm so good. What are we doing?
We're finding the 5 coolest stones and then buying them.
Get one of those too. Alright guys, so we just finished like getting all the rocks and everything. Now we're probably gonna go more shopping, but this place in Hilton Head is so cute and it has so many good stores, so it'll be fine. Don't worry, don't worry. I know you. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Hey guys, so it's been a while. We're back at our hotel room and we're gonna go to the beach to see the jets fly over for 4th of July, which I think I forgot to mention. Happy 4th of July to everyone living in the US, or if you're not, happy 4th of July. While we were shopping, I got some stuff. So this is like a towel tapestry kind of thing. I don't know, it's really cute and it comes out to a whole circle and I love it. And then I also got a phone case, which they make themselves. So this is really cute. Look how cute, guys. Look how cute. And it came with this bag, not the phone case, this did. So I think I'm gonna use this bag to carry everything to go to the beach. But yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
You can see me back there. Hello. Anyway, what's up guys? So it's a while later. I forget what I last vlogged, but we're having dinner because it's raining outside and we ordered Papa John's. And if you guys know anything about me, I love pizza. So we're just eating pizza. What?
That's yours.
Okay, thank you.
Crashing, hit a wall.